In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells in Google Sheets. If you want to make your spreadsheet look cleaner, organize headings more clearly, or create a title that stretches across multiple columns, merging cells is a simple tool that can help. In Google Sheets, merging allows you to combine separate cells into one larger cell, which is especially useful for labels, section headers, or formatting a table in a more readable way. To get started, open your Google Sheets document and decide which cells you want to combine. The first thing you need to do is select the cells. Click on the first cell, then click and drag your mouse across the other cells you want to include. Make sure the selection covers exactly the range you want because only the highlighted cells will be merged. It's a good idea to double-check your selection before moving on, especially if you are working in a larger sheet. Once the cells are selected, the next step is to open the merge options. There are two easy ways to do this. The quickest method is to use the toolbar at the top of the screen. Look for the Merge Cells button, which usually appears as an icon with two arrows pointing inward. Click that button to access the merge function directly. If you prefer using the menu bar, you can also go to Format. Then choose Merge Cells. Both methods lead you to the same set of options, so you can use whichever feels more convenient. After opening the Merge menu, choose the type of merge you want to apply. If you select Merge All, Google Sheets will combine every cell in the selected range into one single large cell. This is useful when you want one centered title or one large label across multiple rows and columns. If you choose Merge Horizontally, the cells will be combined row by row. This works well when you want to merge cells across columns while keeping each row separate. On the other hand, Merge Vertically combines cells column by column, which is helpful when you want to merge cells down a column while keeping different columns separate. As a quick tip, merge cells can affect sorting, filtering, and some data organization tasks. So they are best used for formatting and presentation, rather than storing detailed data. If your layout looks uneven afterward, you can always adjust alignment to make the content appear centered and polished. And that's how to merge cells in Google Sheets. Once you get used to these options, you can make your spreadsheets look much more organized and professional.